Good morning, 10th class. Today we are dealing with chapter number 8. And name of the chapter is How Do Organisms Reproduce? In this chapter, total number of topics are 3. 8.1, 8.2 and half of the section of 8.3 with reference to plants we have already completed. So today we are going to deal with sexual reproduction in human beings. Right, so here is our topic 8.3, rest of the part, sexual reproduction in animals. And in animals we are dealing only with human beings. So in this topic we have how many subtopics? Total 5. So number first is male reproductive system, number second is female reproductive system, number third is what happens when the egg is not fertilized, number fourth is reproductive health, and number fifth is home assignment number 4. So here is our topic number first, male reproductive system. So this whole is a diagram or related to human male reproductive system. So for from examination point of view, you must know about the diagram, right? Diagram banana aapko aana chahiye, and about the functions of the different organs, right? So here first we are dealing with what are the parts. So in male reproductive system consists of following organs. How many? Number 7. So this one is known as testes, right? Singular one is testis, right? This one is singular. If e is written here, then it is plural, right? So this one is singular. They are two in numbers. So this is testes, and it is present in a muscular structure known as scrotum. And here, as you're observing, this tube-like structure, this tube-like structure is known as vas deferens. Plural is vas deferentia. And then these are the glands. First one is seminal vesicle. Then there is prostrate gland, and this one is Cowper's gland. The name is not mentioned in your NCERT book. So here 3 glands are there. Then the next structure, this from here, this is your urinary bladder related to your human excretory system. And the tube which is arising from urinary bladder is known as urethra. The same urethra is from here, right? Urethra is ejecting out, and this muscular structure is known as penis. So here testis, scrotum, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostrate gland, urethra and penis. These are the organs related to human male reproductive system. Understood? Then now we are dealing with the functions of different organs. So testes, singular is testes. Testis produces sperm, and that is male germ cell. Male germ cell is like here. Okay, head, middle piece, and then tail, right? So it is motile and less weight it is having, right? So testes produce sperm. Sperm is known as male germ cell, right? And testes produces male sexual hormone. The male sexual hormone is known as testosterone. तो आपको पता चल गया टेस्टिस के 2 फंक्शन. नंबर फर्स्ट इज प्रोड्यूसेस स्पर्म, सेकंड वन इज releases testosterone, and testosterone is responsible for all male secondary sexual characters like broadening of shoulders, like voice change, like mustaches coming, beard coming, right? All male related characters are because of this testosterone secretion. The next testis is present in a muscular structure, and it is present outside the abdomen, right? And here this scrotum, the structure is scrotum. Function of testes is it is present outside the abdomen cavity because for the formation of the sperm less temperature is required, and that less temperature is maintained outside the abdomen, right, in the scrotum. So scrotum, lesser temperature is there for the formation of sperm. Understood? Next is vas deferens. So as you're observing here, vas deferens is the pipe-like structure. It is the connection between testes and urethra. So vas deferens function is to only allow sperm to pass, or it serves a passage for the movement of sperm from testes to urethra. Understood? It is only serving a passage, right? Then next structure we have seminal vesicle and prostrate gland. The two main names are mentioned. One of them is seminal vesicle, other one is prostrate gland. So function of seminal vesicle is present in the starting portion here, and prostrate gland here, right? So their function, Collective, their function is they provide nutrition to the sperm. Okay, this sperm requires nutrition, so nutrition is provided by, in the starting portion it is provided by seminal vesicle, later on it is provided by prostate gland. They also maintains fluidity for the easy movement of sperm. So if a sperm is moving, that means it requires some mobility, some fluidity, right? So that for easy movement of sperm, so this fluidity and nutrition, these two are provided by seminal vesicle and prostate gland. Understood? Then next is about urethra. So with reference to your human excretory system, function of urethra is to pass urine outside. And with reference to the reproduction, function of urethra is to pass sperm outside. Understood? So it is a common passage for sperm as well as for urine. Next is outside this urethra, muscular structure is present, that one is penis. Function of penis here. Function of penis is it helps in copulation, that means sexual intercourse, right? Connection between male and female, right? So it helps in copulation. Understood? So this is all about male reproductive system. Now next is female reproductive system. So female reproductive system is here, this whole is about structure. इसमें भी आपको structure पता होना चाहिए, and then about the functions, right? All these are important from your examination point of view. So female reproductive system consists of these organs. These two are ovary, one on the left side and right side. Okay, this one is the right side and this one is the left side, right? And then there is this bladder like structure is known as uterus. Uterus is connected with ovary with the help of fallopian tube, and then this one is cervix, and these muscular structures are known as vagina. So structures are ovary, then oviduct, uterus, cervix and vagina, right? These are the structures or organs related to female reproductive system. So ovary here, function of ovary, like in case of testes, function of ovary is to produce eggs. Egg is female germ cells, right? And then ovary produces female sexual hormone. Here the hormone is estrogen, and all the female characters like female voice, then there is breast formation, and then they are related to any other functions, right? Then there is broadening of muscles, right? All these functions are related related with the formation of estrogen. Next is about oviduct. This oviduct, function of oviduct is to pass egg from ovary to uterus, right? So here one of the function of oviduct is it serves a passage for the movement of egg from ovary to uterus. Second is it is the site of fertilization, right? Number third is about uterus. So here uterus means after the embryo is implanted in the lining of uterus, where they continue to grow and develops organs to become fetus. So here suppose if egg and sperm, if they are fertilized here, then the implantation of embryo is done here in the uterus, and whole 9 months period is means the whole right here, like here the embryo is implanted in the lining of uterus, where they continue to grow and develops organ to become fetus. So here embryo turns into fetus up to whole 9 months, right? This whole process is occurring inside this uterus, right? And at the time of birth, the fetus comes out from the uterus. So cervix is it receives sperm during copulation, right? Function of the cervix is to receive sperm during copulation. And number 5th is about vagina. Vagina is it helps in copulation. So this is the organ of copulation, means sexual intercourse from female. This is all about female reproductive system. Next we have next subtopic is about placenta. Placenta means a disc embedded in the uterus wall, right? Placenta is a disc like structure present in the uterine wall, and function of placenta is just here. This is about uterus, right? So placenta is a disc like structure present in the uterus wall, right? And then about function, just here this fetus, right? Whatever, like here the fetus, for its growth what is required? Oxygen and nutrition. So from the body of a mother, oxygen and nutrition is given to the fetus through this placenta, right? And carbon dioxide and waste material is eliminated from the body of fetus to the body of mother through this placenta. And here is the fetus. Placenta is connected with the fetus with this cord like structure. This cord is known as umbilical cord, right? So this is about placenta. Placenta is fitted in the mother's body, mother's uterus, and fetus is present here. So fetus takes oxygen and nutrition, and fetus eliminates carbon dioxide and waste material into the mother's body, right? Then next we have about reproductive health. Reproductive health, here one of the concept related here is STD. STD is sexually transmitted diseases. The two diseases are bacterial STD and viral STD. Bacterial STD is gonorrhea and syphilis. Viral STD is HIV, AIDS, and warts. STD is sexually, means the type of disease that is transmitted from male to female or female to male during sexual intercourse. That is sexually transmitted disease. So here, ways to prevent unwanted. Next, our topic is ways to prevent unwanted pregnancies. So here 3 methods are there. Barrier method by using condom and diaphragm. For male, penis covering is known as condom, and for female, vaginal covering is known as diaphragm. Then the chemical method is by taking oral pills like loop or copper T insertion in uterus. And surgical method is vasectomy and tubectomy. Here, in case of male, vas deferens is blocked, as the name indicates, vasectomy. And fallopian tube, that means tubectomy, tubectomy in female. So female fallopian tube is blocked by surgery. Barrier method, by barrier method we can prevent STD, sexual transmitted disease, but by these 2 methods we cannot prevent sexually transmitted disease, right? And here one of the topic is left here, topic number 3. This is your topic number 4. What happens when the egg is not fertilized? So if egg is here, means one ovary releases one egg. If this egg is not fertilized, then this egg comes out through the body of female, and uterus lining is also comes out. This thick lining of uterus also comes out from the body in the form of blood, right? So this unfertilized egg along with the lining of uterus comes out in the form of blood. This is known as menstruation. This occurs in the body of female, and it ends up to 2 to 8 days. This is whole about subtopic number 4. Next is about subtopic number 5, home assignment number 4. This is taken from your chapter number 8, page number 140. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to do. And then from page 141, question number 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11. These you have to do in your copies. Submit on Google Classroom. Thank you.